Hi, Sister Jem. Happy birthday sa'yo. And lagi ka po mag-iingat sa inyong pupuntahan. At always pray po, Sister Jem. We love you po. We love you. Ingat po kayo.
Hi, Sister Jem. Happy birthday po and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday po, Sister Jem. More birthday to come po.
Happy birthday, Sister Jem. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Sister Jem. We love you.
Hi, Sis Jem. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come po. And maraming salamat po dahil ito po yung isa sa naging spiritual parents namin. And more blessing to come po. And again, happy birthday po.
Hello, Ate Jem. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Mommy. Happy birthday. Love you. Sana masaya ka ngayon. Wala pang pera, Daddy Jeff. Love you. Happy birthday ulit, Mama.